guys, the moment you all been waiting for, the final install for this SR20 finally done with the CD009 transmission swap. Alright, stay tuned. Guys, this is what we're working with today. We're going to take the hood out to have better clearance for when we put the engine in. The good thing is there's nothing in the way, so it's going to be a pretty straightforward swap. Watch this install. Alright, here we go. Apart from this red 240, we have another shell back there that we're gonna most likely be working on in the near future. Stick around for that. We also have a personal. Just a little so you guys can see the kind of work that we do here at Nippon Speed. This is my personal S14. Project build. Rebuilt it from the ground up. SR20 swap. Still running the 5-speed. SR20 trans. Got 256 cams. We have a lot of Tomei. Gritty. ISO. Mostly big main brands. Big main brands. We got working on here. We got working on here. Alright. So let's keep working on the this is what you guys been waiting for. This is what you guys been waiting for. We took the hood off, so now we're working on clearing up the bay a little bit. Alright guys, so the master already took the clip out on the inside. The little guide that goes through here in the little clip. Took it out. It's coming out with this clutch line because we're going to be installing a much larger clutch line that goes from the slave all the way to the external slave on the transmission. Okay guys, new slave is going in. Let's see on the other side. Slave is in. Just gotta put these two 14, no, not 14, my bad, 12 nuts, 13 more or less. Sorry, it's been a long day.
This battle for our soul, and until we fight, we're losing everything and everyone close to us that we hold dear. And until we give ourselves away to the atmosphere that looms above the dome. Forever we will stand. We are shadows looming all around. We are drowning in conformity. We are losing this battle for our soul. And until we fight, we're losing everything and everyone close to us that we hold dear. And until we give ourselves away to the atmosphere that looms above the dome. Hold me up and take me in. I'm losing it, lost again. So maybe I fall, maybe I fail, maybe my heart's not made of stone. Maybe you'll see secrets I'd never wanna show. But I can't help it, I'm not superhuman.
Okay guys, finally we have the CD009 in. All I have to do is a minor cut right there, just to make that the shifter plate and all that go in smoothly in, so it won't be vibrating with the chassis. But it is finally bolted in. The breather hose is already put there. I just got to put a little bracket to tighten it. Everything else is good to go. all we got left to do is button up some stuff in the engine bay, but that's pretty much it. Hoses and stuff, but install wise, we are done finally. All this will be going to our Instagram page, our YouTube channel like you're watching. Instagram page is Nippon Speed, altogether lowercase. So for pictures or any information, parts wise, anything you guys need, either DM me at Nippon Speed or just call the shop. We have that on our website as well at nipponspeed.com. You could get all these parts at our website or just call. And we do full installs here just like you're seeing in this video. So once again, this is Isaac from Nippon Speed. Keep tuning in for our new videos. I'm gonna try to be posting new videos more often. Just been lately been kind of caught up in something else, but most likely we're gonna have that other S14 chassis most likely very soon. Gonna be working on it, so just stick around and stay tuned. All right, thanks.